So today we are going to solve an interesting Python problem, and the problem is to check whether a given number is positive, negative or 0. This is an important question. So first we are going to take the number as our input using the input method. Here I can write enter a number. Now in the next line we have to use if statements. First we will check if n is equal to 0, then we are going to print 0. Again we have to check if n is less than 0 or not. If it's true, then we are going to print negative. And here we can use the else statement to print positive, because if a number is not 0 or it's not negative, then it's gonna be positive. Let me reformat this code and run this code and check all the test cases. So first we will enter 0. It's given 0, which is true. Then we are going to run for 1. It should be positive. And finally, we are going to enter -3. And as you can see, this code works perfectly.